guys, I'm Oliver, and today I'm going to be doing a video on this Honeywell HT900 desk fan. This fan has 3 speeds and it is 9 inches. This fan can tilt up and down. Another cool thing about this fan are the blades. The blades on this fan are really deeply pitched, so it really can power that air right to you. So now I'm going to turn the fan on. We're going to start on high speed. It's a very quiet fan. Now medium. Here's low speed. And then use the spin down time. So yeah, this fan is a really good fan. I think it is definitely worth the money. Alright, well, that's all. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.